2014 Hyundai Accent. Today we're going to be replacing the brake light bulb. This one right here, there's two of them, the upper and lower. As you can see, that's looking really burnt. That's a blown bulb. Should look nice and clear like that one right there. Let's go ahead and get to it. There are three 10mm bolts. And this piece looks to me like it should be removed. It's a Phillips head screw. We're just going to pull that straight out from the car like that. Now we have access to our bulbs. Go ahead and get to the lower one right here. And these you're going to, when you're going to remove them, you're going to push them in and then rotate in a counterclockwise position to unscrew them. And whenever you're touching your new bulb, make sure you're wearing gloves like I am, or you have something where your finger is not coming in contact with that bulb. It will take a lot of life out of the bulb if you leave grease on it and give it something to burn. And you're just going to press that down. You see how that's pressing down like a little spring? Press it down and lock it in by going clockwise. Lock that into place. Lower brake light bulb, upper brake light bulb, turn signal, and this is your reverse light. And that's pretty much all there's to it. Put this back in, line it up, give it a good smack with your hand. Put your 3 bolts down, starting with the one in the middle. And you're done. If this video helped you out, leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all next time.